to Roaming with Randy. We're here at the mud run in Omaha. You can tell it's dirty and muddy. Let's show you the action. Let's have some fun. Woo! Woo! My name is Randy. This is my first time doing mud run. Here's the before. What does it mean to be at the mud run?
I don't know, just looking for a fun day.
Is this your first time at a mud run?
It is our first time at a mud run.
What are your expectations?
Just have a good time and probably get muddy.
What are you looking forward to most?
Man, honestly just a challenge.
Winning.
The challenge.
Like being sweaty and dirty.
Okay.
First ever mud run.
First run. Yes, sir. We got horses. You got it? Woo! Here we go. The mud run finally getting muddy. Woo! Hell yeah. Woo! Get that camera dirty. Down she goes. Woo-hoo-hoo! I got you. You got it, brother. You got it. Your phone! This is why you come to a mud run. To get muddy! Bye! Ow! Ah, that one hurt. Oh, look out! Look out! Look out! Thank you, I appreciate it. Good finish, my man. One of the things they talk about, of course, get muddy. So bring a trash bag because your clothes maybe will never be worn again. I got these shoes for $30 at Played Against Sports just for this. We'll see how they wash out. I got my shorts. Let's see if I can really do it. But make sure you come prepared. And we got bananas, protein shake, cuties, Gatorade, but most importantly, for my producer behind the camera, baby wipes. Great call. Tiffany, is this your first mud run?
No, second. It's our first.
What's it like being here?
Oh, amazing! It was so fun. Challenging, but hey, it's a good time.
For people who've never gone before, what would you tell them?
Do it once in a lifetime. Just do it. First and just do it.
Husband and wife here at the mud run. What are your guys' thoughts?
It's a blast. It's so much fun.
Is this your first time at a mud run?
This is my second time, his first time.
So as your first time here, does it match your expectations?
It's a little bit tougher than I thought it would be. I'm way more winded than I thought it would be.
Well, so of all the obstacles, what's been the hardest?
I don't think any of them have been really hard. Most of them I've had an easy time going over and going through, but that one right there is probably the worst just after it's sucking my shoes down.
So what happened to the shoes?
They got stuck completely in the mud. The feet came out, no shoe width.
The pit keeps getting deeper the more people go through it. It's getting a lot more suction.
So we'll let you guys continue. Last question. For people who have never done a mud run before, what would you tell them?
Come prepared to get dirty.
Don't think running on a treadmill is going to help.
Awesome. Have a good time, y'all.
Thanks, guys.
What's it like getting people wet right here?
It's fun. It's fun. It's a lot of fun.
For people who've never done a mud run before, what would you tell them?
Come check it out. It's worth the time. It's worth the effort. Everything. It's a fun time.
Muddy and good.
Was this your first mud run? What makes this unique that other people would want to come do it for?
The mud.
What was it like to do the mud run?
Gross.
I can't explain how it was like. It felt good, but it felt so gross at the same time.
Yeah.
Was this your first mud run?
My
As a
first.
family.
As a family?
His first run
Yeah.
of any kind.
For people who've never gone before, maybe they're hesitant, what would you tell them?
Don't be scared.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
brush the fears away.
Sure.
Jump in.
How's it feel to give people medals?
It's nice. You kind of see everybody get happy.
Yeah. How's it feel to not be muddy?
Oh, don't worry. I'm up next.
How was the race, y'all?
Run really fun.
First time?
Yes.
Did it match your expectations?
It was better, honestly. Yeah. I don't really know what I expected, but it was way funner.
Different walks of life, different body types. It does not matter if you're in shape or not. You can here have fun, you can walk it, you can run it. You're gonna get muddy. It's a good, clean, fun, sober day. All ages are here, families, older people, younger people. I'm 32, I'm living my life, having a great time. You're gonna wanna go to mud run, because like, look at this, look how muddy we are.
Nearly 15!
Yeah.
Mud
So I'm here at the local news to ask you guys questions.
Yeah.
So, this is what I love about life. Can I, you guys say your name?
Misty.
Amy, Amy, Misty, and Natasha. What does it mean to be at a mud run?
Well, there's 7 of us that are doing it, so for us it was just a lot of bonding.
Personal accomplishments.
Is this your guys' first time at a mud run?
Yes.
And what are your thoughts so far?
I love the mud.
We're muddy.
Less run, more mud.
Less running.
So for someone who's never been before, what would you tell them?
Do it. Worth it. Once in a lifetime experience. Try it at least once.
Awesome. Have a great time, y'all.
Thank you.
That is this week's Roaming with Randy, or should I call it Muddy with Randy. Please like and subscribe to Randy Silver TV and NTV News on all socials. You get great content like this throughout the state of Nebraska. We'll see you on the next episode.